Previously we installed Hugo and then we created a Hugo website which is FewSteps inside this folder. And now I'm going to install a theme. To do this thing, I choose PaperMod theme, and here there is a download button is there. I'm going to click here, and very shortly the GitHub link of this theme will be opened. Here we can do different ways to install. We can manually download from here the zip folder, download zip, and then we can extract inside this folder. There is a theme folders, and inside these theme folders you can extract it directly. The other way, we can use some git command to install that. In this video I'm going to use those git commands because it's easy to maintain and update. So here there is like installation details. Here it is showing documentation can be found here, wiki, and this is the demo. If you want to check how the site will be looking, demo, and if you scroll a little bit, we'll find install update link is there. There is only one link is there, PaperMod installation. We just need to click here to check the installation process. And if we scroll a little bit, we'll see something is there like get started, and here it is showing create a new Hugo site. It is showing how you are going to create the Hugo site like this. And then if you scroll a little bit, I think there is some installation command is there. Okay, no, I don't see here. Okay, here is the installation command, expand mode method, get submodule. So I'm going to use this method. You can use this method also, but I'm going to use this method as it is mentioning like recommended. So I'm going to copy this entire command, this line. So we can copy this thing, get submodule, copy, and now I'm going to open the terminal, and we have to make sure that we are inside this folder FewSteps. So let me double check pwd by typing pwd, which means present working directory, and here it is showing yes, we are all there. So now what we need to do, we need to paste that command, right, which is copied from here, from this site here from GitHub. So I'm going to paste it, and this is the command, we paste it, and then we have to hit the return key, and very shortly it is showing like not a git repository. Okay, so we have to type another command first. We need to type git init first, and once I type git init, then we have to hit return key, and it will initialize this folder as a git repository. Now we can actually paste that command, and now it will work. I'm going to hit the return key after typing that command, and now here it is showing it's working, and it is able to download or to install that theme here. But still it is not installed. We need to configure a couple of things, but let's go there and check whether it is able to do this thing or not. So inside this theme folder there is PaperMod, and if we expand, we see everything is there. So that's it. In this way we can easily install the PaperMod theme, which is one of the popular Hugo theme inside our website folder. And in the next video we'll see how we can configure that. But before that, we'll there is toml file to YAML. Right now this is a toml file. I'm going to change this format to other format like YAML format file. So we'll modify that later, and later basically in the next video we'll configure this thing first, then we'll open this project inside a Visual Studio Code. So that's it.